guys, it's me, Nikki, and today I'm not alone on my channel. I am joined by the legendary, the iconic Nicole Richie'S. I'm so excited I lost my voice.
I am so excited.
It's an honor that you are here.
It's an honor for me to be here.
I grew up with you, so trust me, the honor is bigger on my side. Today, I am joined here by Nicole Richie, and we're playing with a brand new Urban Decay product. They came out with the Naked Petite Heat, which I think is very fitting because like there's nothing petite about me. You, on the other hand, everything is petite. So this palette right here, you've seen it.
I've seen it.
What's your favorite shade?
I am into Wild Thing.
Love the name.
I love the bold orange.
Yes,
You know?
same.
It's very cool. It's complementary towards the skin.
And as you know, I love warm tones, so I am so excited and honored again to be doing your makeup today.
I am so excited. Am I gonna look like you after? Because that's the goal. You have the most beautiful face I've ever seen.
There's a lot of makeup on here.
Okay, so then you can put a lot on me then. Is that what's gonna happen?
Is that the goal?
To look like you? Yes.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. So without any further ado, let's get glam together. And if you're at home and you're bored, grab the brushes. And let's do it together.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a little bit more love to your brows.
Ooh, love?
Love. Love. This video is gonna turn out really sexual in 2 seconds. So tell me, how did you and Urban Decay meet?
I banged on their door and they slammed it in my face 3 times. The 4th time, they let me in and I convinced them that I needed to be the face.
I read that you don't like highlighter.
I don't? I just don't really like, I'm good with like the brows, the lashes, a lipstick, you know, like a little color here. Like, I don't know about the, you know, there's a lot of, I think the highlighter is like a little advanced. But I'm happy like for you to do it, absolutely. I just don't know how to do it.
Oh, I got you. So for
The
this
bombshell
look, we're doing bombshell. So it's very blown out, very blended, very like no harsh lines. And first of all, you have an amazing makeup artist with you here today.
Yes, I
He
do.
is a star.
Bo Nelson.
Bo knows what to do with the brush. So you're in good hands, and hopefully, Bo, where are you?
Where
Bo,
are you?
I got you, honey.
Bo,
I
we
won't
got
let you
you.
down. Bo's like, try me. So I'm just adding a little bit of definition to that brow. Definitely don't want anything too harsh or insanely intense.
Now, where am I going in this style makeup? Everywhere?
I think it's a very light, casual makeup for grocery shopping.
You do?
No. See, when it comes to makeup, I love the process of it. I think it's a form of like showing your art.
Right, so this is more of like, it's a canvas, you like applying it. You're not
Yes.
trying to just like get it done.
Exactly.
You really appreciate. Okay, I like that. I like that perspective.
So what was your first sort of memory when it comes to makeup?
Well, my mom loves makeup. So I would sit in her bathroom and watch her get ready. And I was like, oh my God, she had this drawer and it was all red lipstick.
Yeah.
And every time she would leave, she would go out at night, I would like just go with her lipstick and start playing with it. Like, it was so much fun.
What do you think is like your biggest makeup mishap? Like, where did it go wrong one day? Is there like one look where you were like, ooh, should not have done that one?
I don't know if I would say that because I feel like makeup's so much fun, you know?
Exactly.
And like, different looks just, they mean different things.
When you do your own makeup, what's your favorite thing to do? Like, what is your favorite step?
Okay, I'll do a brow, and what I do is I take the brow brush
Yes.
and put it in a little brown.
A little brown.
brown shadow.
Yes.
And then I just brush my
Hairs up.
hairs up with a little shadow in it. What do you think so far?
Good, good.
Okay.
Yeah, we're on the right path.
Sometimes if I'm feeling sassy, I'll do a little under eye concealer just to look awake. And then I just do a little bronzer.
Yes.
Then I do Troublemaker mascara. I
Love.
curl my lashes.
Good, good, good girl.
And then I put a little lip balm, and then I mix it with the Urban Decay Fuel. And it gives you like it's like a warm,
Sheer down sexiness.
a sheer desert rose.
Oh, take me there.
But a naughty rose.
Oh.
A rose with thorns.
Oh. I'm just going in with Wild Thing in your crease to get a little bit of definition going. And I think one of the biggest trends on like in the makeup industry right now is the warm tones. So Wild Thing is right up the alley.
You
So
are
the
everything.
trick is, and I always see a lot of girls do this, is when they do their eyeshadow, they go, I'm doing my eyeshadow, oh my God.
And
But
they
then-
get too excited and they open their eyes.
No, but like they pull their eyebrows up constantly. So they're like, oh my God, I'm doing this. And then when they're done, oh my God, I'm done.
And they didn't get a whole part of the...
Exactly.
So calm down.
Calm down, and you want to look where you need it.
Can I try a little right there?
Take
Just
over,
try.
baby.
Okay, so it's just the tip. And then am I starting here or here?
Yes. I like most like strength to be on the outer corner here. So
Okay.
that's where I start. And if you are feeling a little frisky,
Yes.
try circular motions.
Little ones?
So little circles.
Ooh.
That's gonna do all the blending for you.
Okay, and then you know, that's the thing, like how do you know when it's blended? By the way, this I could do every day because that's like,
It's easy.
this is easy.
Oh my God, I talked to Nicole Richie'S.
Oh my God, you taught me everything.
Take that, Bo.
Yeah, who's Bo?
Soft circle motions do the work for you.
Like brushing your teeth in your crease.
Exactly. What I definitely love when it comes to like playing with makeup is every step could be a look. So you put it here on the outer corners, apply some mascara, done.
Right, like I could do this,
Yeah.
a little mascara, and then
Done.
leave.
But you could also add more, and then that is a look, and then you could add more, and that is a look. So it never ends. Have you ever ventured out into the path of eyeliner?
You know what? It's my one trick. I'm really good at a cat eye. Do you remember the scene in Neverending Story when he's crossing the gates, and if you doubt yourself at all, the two eyes shoot laser beams at you and your body explodes?
That's eyeliner at 10 a.m.
That is what liquid eyeliner is.
But I'm gonna focus on the lash line. Get it nice and smoky.
Nice and smoky.
Using a little bit of heist.
A little bit of heist.
I'm heisting the lash line. Nice. Pretty.
Nice. And I like how your voice drops an octave right when I can tell like you're really happy when the octave changes.
Okay.
And like, I like that because then I know I'm like, oh, we went somewhere.
She on it.
Yes. Okay, dumb question, but I have to ask, did you play basketball?
No.
Okay, volleyball.
No.
You modeled, obviously.
No, too tall.
You didn't model,
No.
but nothing with the height.
Nothing with the height.
Well, you can get everything in your closet. That must be nice.
Yeah, and I hope my friends
I
get
don't know how
things
that
out of their
feels.
closet. Okay, let's focus on that lower lash line. This is, right now we are using Heist again.
Now, question, is your real name Nicole?
Nope.
What is it?
Nikki.
No.
Yes.
I only know one other person that's real name is Nikki. I went by Nikki as a kid. Well, my gardening and rap name is Nikki Fresh, so I still use Nikki in that regard, but that's just like on a professional level. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh my God, I love it too. How did I do?
Good.
Boom, boom.
I want you in my room.
Boom, boom. I want you in my room. I was trying to think of something else, but I can't think of anything that rhymes. I'm under pressure.
And I don't want this video to get demonetized. We're gonna be repping my good friend, Kristen Leanne. Kristen also had a
Kristen!
collection with Urban Decay
Love.
highlighter palette.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I know you're scared. Okay, you ready to glow?
Okay.
So the highlighter goes right, well, you see it happening already in the mirror. You see like a natural sheen. Just want to intensify that.
Oh, is this my natural sheen?
Yep, right
Oh,
there.
Okay. Great.
So we're just gonna hit it. Oh, I can't believe that I'm highlighting you.
I can't believe it either. I've never touched that part of my face before, I'm realizing.
Oh, I'm glad I took that virginity of that part.
It feels very bold. Ooh!
Isn't it pretty?
Okay.
And it doesn't have to be wild,
But it could be.
but it could be.
Whoa. That swoop.
Felt good,
Again,
huh?
you have to be confident, I feel like. That's the real key. Boom, boom. You just went with the highlighter, like, especially like if you're doing this with us, if we're doing it live, like, we're gonna 1, 2, 3, and swoop. 1, 2, 3.
One,
Oh.
swoop.
an S shape? Oh my God. Whoa, I am beautiful.
We love a confident queen.
You are the best makeup artist in the world. You
Can I
really
get
are.
that on paper? Now, we're gonna do a nice, defined nude lip. We're using a brand new color, also from the Naked Heat Petite Drop It on Your Feet collection. Let's do a little bit of all-nighter setting spray.
Okay.
So if we're going out after this, you will look like this until you
All
take
night.
it off. Please close, my darling. In a 1, 2, 3, commence. Do you like it?
I love it.
For real?
For real.
Like no shit?
Like, no shit. I love it. Like, I would go somewhere.
All right, guys. So that is it. That is your Naked Heat Petite, sexy, smoldering, sexual makeup look.
That's me.
Nicole Richie.
Naked and petite.
Nikki T and Nicole Richie.
Nikki T and Nikki Fresh.
So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Or 2.
Or
Can you do
two-
that?
No, just 1.
Got it. You can follow me on Instagram. My name is Nicole Richie. That's me.
I love her.
Below.
Below.
Maybe we'll do a little.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. It's right there. It is right there. All right.
What if it's not there? And then I look like, well, we'll see how this turns out.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye.